thought I'd start the video off down at the river this morning, and they have one of the chutes open right now. It's pretty cold in the mornings yet. It's like 15 degrees out right now. It'll get a high of about 40 today, and that's what we're going to have for the next few more days. And then once temperatures start hitting about 50, 60 on a regular basis, we'll be opening more chutes up because the water will be accumulating in a river, and they're going to have to get rid of it. So I'm just going to leave you a little bit of a view of the chutes open here, and then we're going to go start in my shop today. Okay, back in the shop now, and what we're doing is working on a blower assist for one of my friends. He's got a Gravely zero turn, and this is a blower for his bagger system, and there's a hole bore in it. I'm going to fix it with scrap metal I got laying around. And I was going to use 16 gauge steel on it, but this is a lot thicker than 16 gauge, and I have a couple of impellers, or a few of impellers left over from my DR that's thicker than the 16 gauge. It's quite a bit thicker. It's probably about this thick, or maybe a little bit thicker, and I'm just going to cut some of it apart and use the pieces of steel on it because it's fairly thick, and I might have to bend it around a little bit, but it shouldn't be too bad. But I'll show you what's going on and what caused the hole that he's got in this thing. So this is the hole that's wore through here, and what's going on is this is on the deck. The grass and everything hits up in here, which deflects up in here, and then these blades spinning everything around. Everything's hitting right here, and it just wore. After time, stones and dirt and everything else just wore a hole in here. That's, you know, it's going to wear out sooner or later. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grind this all out till I get into the thick metal, and I'll have a, you know, fairly good size opening there, which shouldn't take too much. I should be able to fill that in without a problem, and try to make it look as best as I possibly can without, you know, grinding everything down. Or I'm going to grind everything down after I fill this hole in, after it gets to whatever big it is. Like I said, a couple pieces might take to fill it, and then I am going to put another plate on the inside, like a wear plate, probably from like here to here, somewhere in there on the inside. So it'll wear the inside plate out before it comes through and makes another hole again. So it's going to take me a little bit. I'm sure there's other ways to do it than the way I'm going to do it. But this is my thought process, and this is the way I'm doing this project. Okay, someone kind of interrupted me. She just come back from...
Hi.
She come back from her day at the spa. Look at that hair. That looks absolutely wonderful. Look at that hair. Good job. I like that. So that's her new hair.
Good job to the beautician. She made me look a little younger, I'm hoping.
Either way, it looks good to me. So let's get back on this project here. And that is all done. Cleaned up pretty nice. My buddy said he wants to paint it up, so he'll paint it up. He'll sand it a little bit more and take his time to paint it that. So the inside I did the best I could to weld it because I was reaching in behind everything, but it welded up pretty decent. And if this needs to be repaired again, this whole section is going to have to be cut off and started over again, which should not be a big deal. Okay, that is the end of this project. Could I have done it differently? Absolutely. But this is the way I did it, because this is my thought process, and this is what I had in my garage. And I'm helping out a friend, because everybody knows to buy that full housing, they don't give that stuff away. That's pretty much going to be on my video. I like her new hair. I really like her new hair. So
big change.
So this next video that's going to be coming up, hopefully, will be the trailer video, or a trailer video, because it's supposed to start warming up to about 50 degrees, and I got to mount Vicky's toolbox on her side of the trailer. And my trailer will not fit in this garage and close that door, because it sticks out about 6 feet longer than the garage. So I have to have it kind of nice and warm in here, or nice and warm outside, I guess. So that is going to be the end of my video for today. I thank you for watching and subscribing. If you check out the links in the description box below, it would be greatly appreciated.
Have a great night. See you at the next project. Peace. Goodbye.
You done?
Oh.
Okay.